expired, so I have to regenerate it. So it took some time understanding. Let's go ahead. So we'll continue the running topic. So I'll talk to you Aishwarya a month and Ramesh later. Okay. So in last session, you observed how to create recurring document for the repeated business transactions and what is the important point you have to observe, like it doesn't update the ledger balances. Okay, so all these things. Each and every point was already clearly given in the notes. And also from configuration side, number range is automated. Okay, so after that you create a recurring document for the business transaction, and you posted for couple of regular transactions also. Okay. Good. And most of a couple of people have executed successfully for regular transactions, but a couple of people just sent the F.14 screenshot. Okay, so that means you haven't executed. You haven't executed F.14 transaction. So okay, please execute it. Means create postings from the recurring document. Don't simply send the F.14 screenshot. Okay, so if you go to this transaction, you have sent me the screenshot, so I can understand how many times you have executed. So 3 periods, but some of the screenshots shows only 0. So that means they haven't posted for any period. You simply create a recurring document. That's it. And okay, next time they tried, okay, automatically updated a bit, not a bit. Someone has asked doubt. So next on date to first on date means what? First on March. So next on date also first, for example, for first period March 5th. It will not be April month. Understand? Okay. So then April, then May, then June, like this it will be good. Okay. Good. So like this, we have to post the transactions, regular transactions by using the recurring document. For everyone's better understanding purpose, let me execute it for one more period. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me for which period I am supposed to execute it now? The recurring document. Now, for which month or which period I am supposed to execute it?
July month.
Huh?
July month.
May. For May month, we need to execute.
Look at this screen and tell me. Huh? Look at this screen carefully to tell me. Okay, so which month I am supposed to execute it? The next one
June month.
you can't see here. Next one date here. June month, May antad, April antad. You can see here, right? So next on date eppudu run cheyalo telisindi. If you look at the next on date, you will understand. So what is next on date here? June month. Okay. And now, according to these recurring documents, now I am supposed to execute for June month. Understand? Okay. Let's see here how to execute it. For everyone's understanding purpose, how to create recurring document, how to create regular documents by using the recurring document as a reference. See here, this is one of the monthly activity. Monthly once this activity would be performed. Okay. So transaction code F.14. See here, company code, document numbers. So there are 2 document numbers are there, right? One is 201, another one is 202 here. This is going to be executed 5th, and this is going to be executed on 10th. Okay, zone. So in this case, don't specify document numbers. If you don't specify right here, so all the documents would be considered. And company code. So document type, you don't need to specify it. Fiscal year, you can specify. Posting date, these are not no need to specify it. And settlement period, I already told you, very, very important. Settlement period, okay, please make sure the settlement period covers, okay, the next turn date. The whatever settlement period you have, okay, enter, right? Make sure it includes your next turn date. No. Okay, 2021. I think the recurring document I am talking about, like 2021 recurring document, I am going to post 2022. So in that case, 2022 one only. Not 20. Okay, settlement period, example here, or if you don't enter also no problem. Okay, just filter. Next, settlement period. So settlement period means, okay, so here there are two documents. One document is to be posted on 5th, another document is to be posted on 10th. So in this case, my suggestion is for you, instead of entering two separate dates, better to enter starting date of the month, end date of the month. Then what will happen? This period, settlement period, covers the next turn dates of these recurring documents. See, 5th June 2022, 10th June 2022. These two dates are included in this period, right? Okay, so that's why instead of specifying particular date here, my suggestion is for you, please specify the starting date of the month and ending date of the month, particular month. Then what will happen? So some recurring documents to be posted 5th, some recurring document to be posted 10th, some document 20th, some document 29th. So whatever it is. So all are included in this date, what date range. Okay, so in that case, specify like this. And coming to the batch input session. So here document is not going to be posted directly. Document is going to be posted through batch input session. So any name you can enter it here, like for identification purpose. For example, June month you are running, right? So specify here June. Anything. Recurring document, June month, example. And execute it. So when you execute it, right? So please make sure session was created. Whatever name you enter now, with that name, session was created. In case session was not created, you cannot post the document. So make sure session was created. When the session will be created, when you enter here proper settlement date, then only session will be created. If you enter wrong date here, okay, it will not be processed. Boss, how do I know it's wrong date? Whatever settlement period you enter here, please make sure the next turn date of your recurring documents are covered or not. Okay, these dates covered or not. Then only it will be posted. Okay, so here just session was created with the given name, whatever name you entered, but still document was not yet posted. To post this accounting entry, okay, we have to go to batch input sessions. Like this, we can navigate it. Okay, system services. Okay, batch input sessions like this, you can navigate it. Otherwise, you can directly go to the transaction code SM35. Okay, like this also you can go enter. If you know the transaction code, you can directly enter it. Then select your session name, whatever you created just now. Click on process button. While processing the batch input session, there are three options are available. Foreground method means I can see how it's getting posted. Okay, you have to keep on press enter. What it says, boss 00. If the document is going to post in June month, means third period is not open. Okay, let me open it. Month 3, a month and active, right? So particular month should be open. Otherwise, system will not allow you. But while opening the period, you don't need to create new entries. Understand? Okay, you have to go and change the entries in the existing entry. Okay, values. See here, up to third period I have opened here. Save it. Save it. Now press enter it. It will accept it. See, whenever you get any pop-up like this, this is not error message. Understand? process, how backend is, how it is processing. You can see here front end, because you are executing this transaction in foreground method. That's why you are able to see this. But if you don't want to post in foreground method, no? Okay. So in that case, here you can just execute it, come out of the transaction. I have to post it. Okay. See, total 2 documents, so nothing was posted. Okay. And now I'm going to process it again. See, foreground means what happened? You could see the screens, how it is being posted. If I put it in background method now, backend smoothly it will be posted. Generally, where you have 1 or 2 records, you will post it manually as a foreground method. Where you have hundreds of records, thousands, okay, hundreds of records, then what to do? You cannot keep on pressing enter, right? Until all the transactions are posted. That's why everybody would set it in the background mode. If you put it in background mode, and you can shut down the system, and you can go home, and you can come tomorrow morning and you can check it, then you'll see the status. How many documents you process, okay, how many documents went into errors, how many documents are successfully posted. You can see the result. In case any documents are went into errors, right, you can analyze it also. I'll show you. Just refresh the screen and go to the same transaction, it will refresh it. See what it says, still being processed. 2 documents I'm trying to process. Okay, so nothing was posted, so it's just being in process mode. Okay, refresh the screen. See, successfully posted. That's why it's gone from here. Okay, how do we know whether it's posted or not? You can go and check your ledger balances. Otherwise, you can go and check your report, this report also. See, next on date, then it will be how much? Okay, what will be the next on date? 5/7/2022 will be there. Example, see, go back and execute it. I can see next on date 5/7/2022. Then it is now ready for July month. I'm using this document and posted on my regular transactions. And instead of posting rent account into bank account manually, if I create this kind of reference document, I can use this reference document and post my regular, my business normal regular business transactions. Advantage is time saving. Okay, that's one advantage. Okay, good. Now, if you go and check it, your ledger balances, it will be there. So any ledger you can go, 200, 601 you can go, RS, okay, 400, 111 you can go, anywhere you can go and check it. You can see the values. Example, if I go to my ledger balances, software T code is there, right, to verify the ledgers. So if I go to my ledger balance, which ledger, anything, 400, 111, and your fiscal year 2022, because June month, right, executed. So you can see the values. Third period, June means third period, April, May, June, third period. If I double click on it, you will understand document number 5, document number 6. Okay, 2 documents, just now posted. If you have doubt, just select this, click on the display document button, then click on here, overview button. I can see rent account to bank account. Normal regular number 6. Regular number will be generated. See, in this case, on which date it was posted? Okay, 10th. Automatically posted. So, if you want to see who has posted and what is the reference document number, see here. This is the recurring document number. I have used it. Through this batch input session, it was posted. On which date it was posted? Entry date, see. Server system date. And for which month date it is posted, you can just see here. Like this, you can see the details. Okay, this is what I was expecting you guys to send me. Not only this document. And here, if you observe carefully, how many times you have executed for this document? This document, you can see that 3 times, 3 periods it was posted, and 4 periods it was posted. Okay, good. Like this, okay, you understood. Like this, you can post the regular transactions by using the recurring document as a reference. Super. Okay, to practice multiple times for multiple periods, then you become perfect. Okay, now here you understood how to create recurrent document and how to post early regular transactions by using the recurrent document as a reference as part of month-end activities. So far good. Okay, here observe. This is one document, 30,000 rupees worth. This is another document, 40,000 rupees worth. Okay, in one of the document, I would like to make some changes. Example, see, June month we posted, next month July month. Okay, I would like to make some changes. Which change can we, what type of changes can be done in the recurrent document? I'm going to show you. Okay, so please write down. Next step is the next activity. New joiners, okay, you can wait. You don't need to write if you want. Okay, sure, yeah. So just concentrate. At the same month, okay, Ramesh, you can go ahead and write down. So next activity name is change recurring document. Okay, 1 second. Before going to change, so here, in case if you want to exit from the middle of batch inputation processing, okay, you can use on transaction flow. Okay, because otherwise you can't close the screens. For example, here I can see some transactions, right? If I try to process it, so for example, if I try to process it, example, okay, if for example this one another example, assume if I try to close the screen, say okay, for example, only one document I can close it and come. Assume there are 100 documents I am processing. I cannot click on the crossbar, the symbol, okay, 100 times, right? Example, here, if you observe carefully, I am trying to process 100 records. Assume. For example, here, there are 9 records. There are 9 records I am being processed. Click on process button. Some existing one, don't worry. Let's see here. I'm trying to process it. Then there are some errors. I couldn't proceed further. Then what to do? You need to click on the close button. Okay, close button means what? That okay, system will not allow you to click on the close button. Even if you click on that also, it will not work out. It will not work out. Then what to do? You have to enter here. You have to enter here /n. You have to enter it. If you enter /n, no. You can try it later also, no problem. Just see here. For example, I am trying to post 100 documents. Assume 100 documents I am processing. I observe all the documents went into errors. Then, if I press the enter /n, then it will skip and you will jump into this record. Then again, if I enter /n, it will skip, system will skip this document and enter into this document. Same problem. All documents are having same problems. But I cannot enter 100 times, right, to come out of the transaction. If I try to click on cross button, okay, the close button, it will not work out. Then what to do? Each and every time I can't enter it. Okay, and enter this 100 times. System will not allow you to close that also. In that case, very simple. Okay, when you identify there is an error, in that case, you simply specify here /BEND. If you enter this T code, no, ekdam you will come out of this transaction. Exit. You will not verify all these things. The same reason, 100 documents went into errors. Okay, you cannot close the cross button, the close button. So system will not allow you. Then if you enter /n, okay, the system will skip this and you will enter into this. Again, the same problem. Again, if you enter /n, okay, system will skip the second entry and you will jump into third entry. Same problem will come 100 times. Okay, it is very difficult to come out of the transaction. In that case, what I'm saying is, if you enter simply here /BEND code, B means batch input session, end means end. Simply it will end and it will come out of the transaction. Otherwise, okay, it will be a problem. You cannot come out of the transaction. Just for knowledge purpose, I told you. Okay. If you normally, if you enter the transaction code, it will not work out. For example, see /BEND code. If we enter normally in normal way, it will give message. T code doesn't exist or function is not possible. In batch input session, in the middle of batch input session, you can enter this transaction code if you like to come out of the batch input session. That's why I mentioned. Okay, useful information as and when required. If you are okay, you can use it. That's why I mentioned here separately. Good. Next, if you would like to make any change, 1 second. Batch input session, okay, you can use this one. Not only recurring document or something. See, in SAP, if you observe, some documents are posted manually. Okay, now, okay, you observe. Some documents are posted through batch input sessions like this. Okay, you understood. Example, this kind of recurring documents, foreign currency validations, when you go through batch input session, post manually, okay, it will not be posted. Some documents will be posted through background job. Example, depreciation one. Automatic background job post. Okay, there are 3 methods. And manual post through batch input sessions, through background jobs. So at this moment, you understood only 2 batch input sessions and document manually posting. So the same T code function you can apply it for any kind of batch input session. Batch input session. Okay, that's it. And whether it's recurring document execute chestuna or functional foreign currency validation, okay, it's not like that. For any batch input session, okay, you can use it wherever the batch input session is there. So from the batch input session, if you would like to come out of the transaction in the middle of the processing, then you can apply this transaction code. Okay, good. Next step, change recurring document. Write down, please. Change recurring document. Change recurring document. Change recurring document. You know what kind of changes can be done in a recurring document after it was created? Let us see. Okay, I'll show you. T code FBD2. T code FBD2. FBD2. This is the path. Please write it down. There is no any material on this document and this transaction in your running notes. So that's why please write down the path as well. Write down the path. Path: accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document, reference document, second documents, change. Please don't miss the classes. Attend regularly and do practice. So no one can help you if you are not good at subject. So please understand, take the classes seriously. Okay, good. So now we understood the path to T code. Let me go to the same way. accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document, reference document, recurring document, change. So in this section, you can change the recurring document, you can display the recurring document, you can display the changes made in this document, and finally you can delete it also. Okay, let me go one by one. Display means just, okay, example, say execute. A company code, okay, execute it. So this is my company code and execute it. I can see here list of recurring documents 201 or 202. The two documents are there. In this, okay, I can just display. I can make any modifications only in display mode. Good. Next thing is change, right? This is change. Okay, this is change mode. So update it. So if you know the document number, you can type it here. You can enter it here. In case if you don't know document number, no, you can go to the list and execute it and get your document number also. Like this, you can get it also. Understand? So that's it. That's up to you how you would like to get the document number. So, but when you are going to change the recurrent document number, of course, you will have recurrent document number in hand, right? Okay, good. So please enter your recurrent document number which you would like to modify it. Enter document number. Enter recurrent document number 200 201 and whatever. Okay, you have created. You enter your number. But here in this instance, this is my recurrent document number. Enter your company code. Enter your company code. Enter your company code. Enter your fiscal year. Enter the fiscal year. Press enter. One second, please join for. Press enter, right? Okay. So like this, it will be open. If you would like to make any amount changes, example, see, change means what? You can change amount. You may have to change amount, or you can change last one. Different fields can be changed. Okay, let us see which fields can be changed. Okay, press enter, right? Note. Double click on the line items to change the amount if required. It. Double click on the line items to change the amount. For example, see, every month rent, okay, we are paying 30,000 rupees. From next month onwards, okay, so it is going to be increased to 35,000 rupees. Now I have to change the amount, right? Okay, here I'm going to show you how to change the amount. Example, otherwise no need to change it. If required, you can change. Okay, assume in this instance I need to change it. Double click on it. What did I say? Double click on the line item to change the amounts. If required, you can change it. Otherwise, just leave it, no problem. So 35,000 rupees. The next line item also, yeah, 35,000 rupees. So debit to credit same must be same, right? That's why here I entered. Okay, good. Like this, you can change it if required it. Otherwise, okay, no problem with it. Next, if you like to change further changes, no, okay, no, write down. From menu, this means menu bar. From menu, extras, sorry, go to. From menu, this is menu bar. From menu, arrow mark, go to recurring data. Write down like this. From menu, the menu bar. From menu bar, Go to recurring entry data. Recurring entry data. You can change a few more fields. Recurring entry details also you can change it. Let us see here how to change it. Go to recurring entry data. Here. First, let me explain, then I'll give you notes. See here. This is my first on day 2. This is my last on day 2. Means I have taken the billing for 1 year. Okay, rent agreement. March 1st to 28th February 2023. Example, assume. Every month 7, okay, every month 5th we have to pay the rent. Already we have paid for couple of periods. Monthly, every month 5th you have to pay. Okay, here you can make some changes. Example, okay, next on date is here 5th, right? 5th July. But July month I couldn't adjust the amount on 5th. I would like to post on 10th. Only for that period, then change it. Then what will happen? Only for July month, it will be posted on 10th. August onwards, again 8th. So August onwards, again 5th, because 5th is fixed date. And no, boss. From now onwards, every month 10th I am supposed to pay. Every month 10th I will pay, because I cannot pay on 5th. Okay, he also agreed. I would like to change it to 10th. From now onwards, okay, the document will be posted on 10th. Okay, otherwise, for example, July month last, from August month onwards, I don't want to continue. Then you can change the last on date, 31st July 2022, close. See here, which fields you can change? If required, you can change the last on date if you are going to cancel the contract, or if you want to change the next on date only for the particular period or every month, you can change it. See, like this, the fields can be modifiable. Apart from this, if you like to delete it also, you can set the deletion indicator. Okay, these many fields can be modifiable in the recurring document. So write down, please. Note. If required, here we can change. If required, here we can change. If required, here we can change. Write down. Last on date. It's not mandated, right? Okay, if required, if you feel, okay, in one document you may have to change last on date. In another document you may have to change, okay, next on date. In another document you may have to change, okay, every month fixed on date. Or some documents you may have to delete it. See, you may not require all the changes in one document, but you should know which fields can be, okay, changed in the document. Write down. Note. Last on date, next on date, interval in months, means currently we are paying every month, right? Okay, stop. Okay, 2 months was I would like to pay. Then you can change it. And next, fixed date, every month 5th. So from next month onwards, every month 10th. Like this, you can change it. And also, fixed date. Okay, and also set deletion indicator if you like to delete the recurring document. And also set deletion indicator if you like to delete the recurring documents. Click on save button or press enter. That's it. Like this, make some modification if required. It example. click on save button or press enter it. Done. I made some changes in this document. Okay, example. If you'd like to go and see the changes made in this document, no, you can go and verify it in FBD4. Display changes. Okay, if you're interested, you can write it down. Write down. Display changes in the recurrent document. Next step, display changes made in the recurrent document. Display changes made in the recurring document. So it is just a report kind of thing. So if I go to this transaction, in this particular company code, in this particular document, okay, what are the changes have been made? So these changes have been made. Which fields were modified? Run date is modified, next run date is modified, last run date is modified, amount is modified. If you would like to see what is the old value and new value, click on all changes. See, I can see here old value amount to 30, now new value 35. Old value date to 5th, this new value is 10th. Okay, old value fixed date to 5th, now 10th. Okay, like this you can check the details just for information purpose. Okay, good. Now finally, I would like to delete it. Example, I would like to delete it. Before going to delete it, no. If you're interested, go and check your recurrent document list. Okay, now you will see here. Okay, with the new details. With the new details, see 201 now. See amount to 35,000. Okay, last run date is here 31st July. Next run date 10th July. See here, last close. Like this you can see. If I execute it now, how much amount it will be posted? 35,000 rupees now from now onwards. See, like this, if you want, you can change the values in the recurring document if required. Okay, good. And finally, I would like to delete it after completely used. I would like to go for deletion. Let us see how to delete the recurring document. As and when required, okay, you can delete it like this. Write down transaction code. First activity name, delete, and how to delete recurring document. How to delete recurring document. Transaction code F.56. F.56. If you would like to delete it, right? Simply if you go here and enter company code and document number and fiscal year and the document IPT for recurrent documents and test on mode execute it. No, system cannot identify the documents. Boss, I got the list here, no contains data, it contains no data. Means what? There are no documents to be deleted. There are no documents to be deleted here. System couldn't recognize any document to be deleted. You know what is the mistake? Okay, please write down. Heading is how to delete the recurring document. T code F.56. Path the same pathway. Okay, as the above. See here I told you path, right? Same path. As the above one. Don't worry. Next. Don't use T codes, always go through path. Okay, note. Before going to delete the recurrent document, right? We must set the deletion indicator in change document. Then only it is possible. Otherwise, system cannot recognize the document to be deleted. So please write down this comment. Note. Make sure you have set deletion indicator in the recurring document. Make sure you have set deletion indicator in the recurring document. In T code FBD2 before deletion. Then before going to delete any recurring document, right? First you have to set the deletion indicator in the FBD2 change the recurring document transaction. Then only it will allow. Okay. Example, see here. If I want to delete one document, for example, this is the document number I want to delete it, right? So first you have to set delete indicator in this transaction. This is my recurring document number, right? Which you would like to delete it. So what I'm saying is, in this transaction, FBD to change mode. The change mode, you have to go to recurring data and you have to select this indicator. Then only system can recognize the document to be deleted. If you don't select this document indicator, no, system cannot recognize the document to be deleted. Okay, select it. Press enter and save it. Now I have set it. That's what I told you. Please make sure you have set the deletion indicator in the recurring document list before deletion. Okay, now you go and execute it. System can easily identify the document number to be deleted. Okay, write on continuation. Okay, first make sure, then go to recurring document file. Write down. If there is no any notes on this, please write down. Go to T code. Okay, otherwise wait. I'll show you. I'll tell you. I'll give you no points. First, already say. Make sure you have set the deletion indicator in the recurring document. T code before deletion, right? Go to FBD4. Sorry, FBD2 first. Go to. There is no any notes. You have to write it down. Write down. Go to transaction code FBD2. Go to transaction code FBD2. Hyphen change. Go to transaction code FBD2. Hyphen change. Change mode. Enter document number. Enter recurring document number. Enter company code. Enter fiscal year. Enter fiscal year. Press enter. From menu bar. From menu bar. From menu bar, arrow mark. Go to arrow mark. Recurring entity data. From menu bar, put arrow mark. Go to arrow mark. Recurring entity data. Recurring entity data. Select deletion indicator checkbox. Select deletion indicator checkbox. Click on save button or press enter. Click on save button or press enter. Now you have set deletion indicator. Not yet completed. Okay, right now continuation. Go to transaction code. Go to transaction code. F.56. F.56. Go to transaction code. F.56. Enter company code. Enter recurring document number to be deleted. Enter fiscal year. Enter company code. Enter recurring document number to be deleted. Enter fiscal year. Okay. Select reference document type D. Select reference document type D. What is D? Just put hyphen and write down recurring documents. Recurring documents. D ante recurring documents. That's what T code kuda. FBD1, FBD3, FBD2, like this D. D for recurring document. So hyphen recurring document. First, I would like to execute in trial mode. Okay, select test run checkbox. Select test run checkbox. Select test run checkbox. These are checkboxes. Huh? Select test run checkbox. Execute it. See here, I can see the document number can be deleted. It contains 2 line items. I will to create. Earlier, it says list contain no data, right? But here, I can see the document number to be deleted. Okay. So like this, you verify it. If everything is fine, select back arrow. After you verify it, executed, right? Like this, you will get data. Then select back arrow. Wait. Execute. Note. Here you can see the recurrent document number can be deleted or not. Here you can see the recurrent document number can be deleted or not. Here we can see the recurrent document number which can be deleted. Here we can see the recurrent document number which can be deleted. Select back arrow. There is no any notes for this topic, that's why please write down properly. Select back arrow. Remove test run checkbox. Remove test run checkbox. Execute it. The execute button. Execute it. It is asking, are you okay? Do you really want to delete the document? Yes. Okay. Click on yes for the message. Click on yes for the message. Katham. Okay. Now document successfully deleted. If you go and check your recurrent document list, right? Okay. You can see only one document number. See, you can see only one document. Done. I don't want. Completely, I have used it for all the periods. I don't want. That's the way I can delete it. Got it? So, empty and summary, if you look at, you understood what is recurring document? What is recurring document? What is the use? How to create it? How to post regular transactions by using the recurring document? How to make modification changes? How to delete it? Okay, good. Very important topic in live environment also. Most of the people would use this recurring document topic. Okay, guys, do practice and send me the screenshot of your practice on daily basis without fail. If you are not sending the screenshot, means you are going to cheat yourself. You're not going to do anything. Okay. Just observe who is sending the screenshots and who is doing practice, who is not doing. So please take the classes seriously and don't miss the classes. Chalo. Okay, I'll talk to you, Uday, Rameshri, and Aishwarya later. Okay, chalo, bye bye. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.